Let me show you how to use TikTok effects. TikTok provides many visual and sound effects that help you edit your videos. You can either apply effects while recording a new video or after a footage has been captured. In order to add in a effect while recording, you can tap on the plus icon on the bottom. And here on the left hand side, if you scroll left, these are all of the effects that you can add into your video. You can also tap on view all effects. This way you're going to get tons of effects that you can apply to your videos inside of TikTok. You also have the option of creating your own effect. If that is something you want to do, you can take a look at all of these categories that you can add in, the categories of effects. Just tap on the effect that you want to add in, and the effect will be immediately added to the video. Now, in order to add in an effect to an existing video that you may already have recorded and edited, you can tap on the star icon on the right hand side once you try to post a video, and you can take a look at all of these effects that are available. Just tap on any effect that you like, and the effect will be immediately added in. So that's all there is in using effects inside of TikTok. Be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.